If you still don't understand how to day trade and you're tired of losing money week after week, then this video is going to give you the fundamentals that you're missing before becoming a profitable day trader. And if you can watch this video all the way through, I promise I'm going to give you everything you need to know to win with trading. But right now, your trading knowledge does not have a strong foundation. So anything you build on will eventually fall apart. That's why every time you see someone telling you to join their Discord group or buy their trading courses, you never actually make any money because you lack an understanding of the fundamentals of day trading. And that's why I'm going to reveal the 3 fundamental principles to understanding day trading at any level. And for those of you who don't know me around here, I'm Andrew, and I went from losing $25,000 in a single day from day trading to quitting my 9-to-5 eventually and making over $463,000 in profits just last year. I now teach others how to become profitable day traders using the same foundation I'm about to share in this video. Okay, so the first principle is time in the market is better than timing the market. Now, what do I mean by this? See, too many times traders want to be perfect with their trade timing. You know, buying Nvidia right at $120 per share, or even waiting to buy Bitcoin right at $15,000 per coin. When instead, focusing on time in the market is what's actually most important. See, I have a friend who is learning the markets right now, and he's told me that the best thing that he did was listen into our live trading sessions every single day for the last 2 months, and now he feels so much more comfortable participating in the market. And when you're more comfortable with something, it makes it that much easier to succeed. Now, the second principle is strategy. Having a super solid strategy is important because as traders, we need to be consistent with something that works. I want you to think of one of the most prolific athletes in the world. See, they typically stick to their strategy and what makes them successful 100% of the time. And oftentimes I see new traders come into the markets and after one red day, they switch their entire strategy and abandon what will actually work over the long run. Imagine if a casino changed the rules at a blackjack table every single time a player won. The casino's profitability would slip because they're changing their rule strategy that was profitable for them in the first place. Now, the best way to stay consistent is to find a strategy that makes sense to you and never deviate from it. And I guarantee you that if you can implement the profitable strategy correctly, your portfolio is going to grow. Now, the last principle is risk management. And before you roll your eyes at me, I get it. This term is largely overused in the online education and guru space. See, most traders don't even know how to properly teach it, exercise it, and test it. For me, it comes down to the risk to reward. What am I willing to risk in order to make a multiple? For example, I'll risk a 20% loss to make a 40% gain. And effectively, that's a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I'm risking 1 unit to make 2. Risk management is the most crucial thing that anyone can learn in the markets. And here's why. If I give you a profitable strategy, if I show you how to find the key levels, and if I show you how to enter the trade at the perfect time, you still have to be able to manage your risk at that point in time. And if you don't know how to do that, then that's the difference between a 6 to 7 figure day trader per year and one who consistently loses money in the markets. See, risk management is like gasoline to a car. Without gas in a car, the car can't get from the starting point to the final destination. Similarly, if you're a trader looking to get to that 6 to 7 figure per year destination mark like I've done, well, then you need a solid risk management plan. It's so important. I have an entire risk management guide for all of my students to use where they can input their portfolio stats and see how far they can grow with consistent risk management. So in the end, those are the 3 most important principles to day trading options and actually becoming a profitable trader. Now, you can absolutely take everything I said in this video and apply it to your own journey, but chances are that you will run into a ton of roadblocks in doing so. And as you just witnessed, there's a lot of time and patience needed to become a profitable day trader. Not only that, you need a risk management strategy, the right tools to use, discipline when losing money, and just know how to wait around for those best trade setups. All to name a few things that go into day trading and actually making money with it. So if you don't want to hit all of those obstacles by doing all of this by yourself and you're currently still working at your 9-to-5 job and you want me to help you start trading, just click the link in the description to learn more, and I look forward to seeing you inside the Accelerator program.